Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Brown color, black color, dark blue color, red color, neon color, pink color, light blue color and orange color. Let's start. Blue color. 1. Number 1. Yellow color. 2. Number 2. Green color. 3. Number 3. Purple color. 4. Number 4. Brown color. 5. Number 5. Brown color. 6. Number 6. Blue color. 7. Number 7. Yellow color. 8. Number 8. Green color. 9. Number 9. Yellow color. 10. Number 10. Green color. 11. Number 11. Yellow color. 12. Number 12. Blue color. 13. Number 13. Purple color. 14. 14. Number 14. 14. Green color. Green color. 15. Number 15. So kids, what we learned today? We learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.